What is up, guys? We are back with a very special video. Today we are going to be going over ticker symbol MGOL. This is a penny stock that has been rallying recently. We have a lot of premium members in this. Shout out to Eagle. He's one of my admin. He called this out, and this thing has ran an insane amount. I do want to go ahead and quickly show you guys our premium wins here. These are available for free. If you click the link down below, it'll send you guys to our Discord where you can check out all of these stats with our premium members. But you can see on MGOL, we've had multiple five-figure returns here. One of our traders is up 235%, or around $11,000. Another one of our traders is up $14,000, or around 135%. And this isn't the only stock that we trade. We have other stocks like this, LTBR, which ended up netting a profit of $7,000 from my boy B here. And then also scrolling back up, you can see that we have another $1,600 return from MGOL, and then also $2,100 return from MGOL. And then scrolling up here, we have a few more here, up around like $5,600 for around 65%. And then more here from my boy Eagle, up around $1,000. And then down here up another 800 on MGOL. So you can see that premium is really worth it, in my opinion. I think a lot of my premium members would attest to that they have made a great profit, as you can see here. And if you guys do want to check it out, we also have a premium review section. So go ahead and give it a look. Link is going to be in the description. But let's really get into the chart here and see what we're talking about. So MGOL has been up around 300% in the last month, or in the last week, I'm sorry. So I am looking for a pullback here on the Fibonacci retracement out of this cup and handle. I want to see it form a handle here, and then I'm going to enter on the handle. Either at the 618 would probably be my first entry, and then down here at the 50 would be where I enter heavy. I do have around 300 shares right now, but that isn't too much with the share price only being at around 42 cents. But I do expect this stock to continue higher. All of my purple lines here are going to be my support and resistance lines, where we're going to pull over here and see how accurate these are going to be with obvious old support turned resistance. And then same over here, where you have broken it and stayed in between it and rejected it and held it, all of that, and then eventually breaking down. So I do think if we can break back up and get through these levels, I want to talk about some price targets here. I do think my main price target is going to be at this $1.05 range here, right up here. And that is coming if we can break that 64-cent range and that 73-cent range. I think if that happens, we 100% see that $1.05 price target. And then moving higher, I think that my bullish case, this is the bullish case here, the top range that I think that we could see, and that's gonna be that $2.12 range. This is a bit of a stretch, but I do think it's still 100% possible. Let's go ahead and draw out our price targets for this. So where we are sitting right now at 42 cents, let's go ahead and draw it up to my main and my first price target at 143% gain at that $1.05 range. That is a very nice return just starting out. And a lot of my members are in at around that 20-cent range. So for them, this is going to be well into the 200, 300, 400% for them. And then our next target from here would be the 2618. I think we 100% break that, and that's at that 190% range. I think if we can break $1.05, we head to the 3618, which would be up 300% from where we are today. And then for my bullish case, we have a return of 400% from the stock price today. So this stock is not too late. It's not too late to get in. The only thing I would recommend, and I've told this to multiple of my premium members, is just understand that a stock like this that runs 300% in a week can also fall 50% in a day. It could open up Monday and it could be up another 200%. Up to around $1.70. It could also open up and be back down to around 25 cents, down like 40%. There's two sides of that hand. Especially with a penny stock like this, where you aren't trading for, financials. You're not trading because this is a good company. You're trading this because of popularity and volume, and that's totally okay. I'm all for it. I think that's a great strategy. A lot of people make a great amount of money on that. But personally, I wouldn't be investing in this stock for long term. Just understand that, and also understand whatever money you put in, expect to understand that all that money could be lost. So only put in money that you can afford to lose is what I'm trying to say. If you have $500 in your bank account, I would not recommend putting $500 on MGOL. If you have $5 million on your bank account and you want to put maybe 10 grand into MGOL, 100% go for it if you can afford that. And that's really what investing is. That's what makes investing the hardest, is when people can't understand, and everyone does this, I've done this before, when people can't understand, position sizing, I would recommend with a penny stock like this, no more than 5% of your account, unless for, you have maybe less than a grand in your Robinhood, and you can afford to lose that maybe. But if that's all you have and you want to see a nice little return, this is kind of a stock where you can take a flyer on this and then just maybe put like a 10% stop loss and watch it all the way. You could also just intraday trade this, where maybe it pops Monday morning up maybe 40%. You sell there, you buy back on every dip, and then you just play it all the way up. But enough rambling. What I'm getting at is that I'm very bullish on MGOL. My price targets here would be at that $2.12 range if we can get all the way up there, which would be a 400% return. And then my base case here would be at that $1.05 return, which would be up 150% from where we are today. But make sure you guys do check out that link down below. It'll send you guys to our free Discord. Also, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.